What's up YouTube? I'm back with another video, and in today's video I am going to be unboxing the PS5. I was going to get the PS4, but I decided to get the PS5 instead. PS4 is older and who knows, it might not work as good as it's supposed to be. This is the box. I'm kind of scared to open this, honestly. It's the PS5 instead of the PS4. I'm kind of nervous to open this, but I might be starting a gaming channel because I've been wanting to do that for years now. I just didn't have a PS4 or PS5 of my own, and now I do. So I think I might be starting a gaming channel. We'll see. If you would like for me to start a gaming channel, tell me, because I don't know. I don't know if I should or not. Even though I want to, I don't know how you do this. It's kind of heavy. Today is March 6th. 2023. It's heavier than I thought it was. I thought it was gonna be like kind of the same weight as the PS4. It's a lot heavier. But yeah, tell me if let me know down below if I should start a gaming channel. I did buy a game today. I got The Last of Us because I've been wanting that game for forever, but I didn't get it because I didn't have a PS4. Just let me. Okay. Everything's falling out. Hold on one second. So the first thing off the top, I guess, is the controller. I want the purple one, or I want the purple one, the pink one, and the black one, but I'm not gonna spend that much money on one. Ew, it feels weird. So this is the controller. It feels so weird compared to the PS4. So this is the controller. It feels so much weirder. Next is the cable, I guess, for the PS5. The cable to plug it up to the TV. Booklets, I guess, to tell you how to start it. And it's in Espanol and in English. What's this? And then we have this. I don't know what this is. Is this what you set the controller on? Okay, I'd have to figure that out later because I don't know if you set the controller on this or what this goes to, which is weird. In time for the actual console. So here's the console. Here's the console. Oh my gosh, guys. What in the world? So this is the console. Oh, I'm gonna have a gaming channel, bro. I'm gonna play Call of Duty. I'm gonna play The Last of Us. Ooh wee. This is the console, guys. Okay, so I'm about to set up the PS5. Okay, so I'm about to turn it on, guys. So this is raw reaction, guys. I've seen videos of people turning these on, but like I didn't want to spoil it too much, so I didn't like watch it. What in the world? It turned on by itself. Oh my gosh. And that's the same background I have on my, I have that same background on my PS4 account. So I have to connect my controller.
Your controller to the console with the USB cable and press the PS button.
Oh my god! Okay, English.
Continue with the screen reader turned on. No.
Okay, adjust your HDR. I gotta do all of this. Oh wait, back. I didn't read it. Okay. Okay, so I got The Last of Us in PS4 because you can use PS4 games. I didn't realize I got part 2, which kind of sucks, but I guess I could go ahead and download it. It'll be alright. Where do I insert it at? The hell? What? Oh, I guess down here. Okay. Okay, welcome to PS5 or PlayStation 5.